Hi plant lovers, are you really busy enough? Hardly get any time at your home to take care of your plants? Or else you have a good collection of house plants so that you want to add something unique, looking different in size and shape, even texture. Then I suggest go for succulents. They are so lovely, so pretty. Even I can't remember the names of different type of succulents. I love them for their looks. They are really very easy to grow. Usually we do two mistakes, overwatering and over-fertilizing. Succulents are found in desert area, so their thick stem and leaves store sufficient water to survive. Even they absorb moisture indirectly from the air. So please don't overwater them. When topsoils become dry completely, then you water it thoroughly till the water comes out through the drainage hole. Directly to the soil. It immediately absorbs as much water it needs. Never sprinkle water over the plants. The baby plants or the growth may be damaged. Now you can see the water is collected in the plate. Then you forget at least 10 to 7 days or till the soil let the soil completely dry for the next turn. Don't fertilize them if they are not too old in their pot. If they are old enough, then you may add some 2 to 3, I think very less amount of micronutrients in their growing season. In summer, don't apply any fertilizer in winter season. Don't over fertilize them because they are very slow in their growing, and so sometimes we just take so much attention to our plants, so we are very impatient about their growth, why they are not growing, why they are still in the same size for a long time. So with a big confusion, we just start adding more fertilizer for faster growth. So ultimately our succulents will die due to over fertilizing and due to overwatering. These two important points, we have to take care of that. Usually succulents they are not attacked by pest. Due to over fertilizing, sometimes you find mealybugs. If they are very sensitive to chemicals, any fertilizer, so don't apply this. If you find some mealybugs or any pest, you can apply a dilute solution of neem oil with water. You can spray once in a while. So if it is avoidable, avoid it. Succulents love sunlight 6 hours a day at least, but some of the succulents you can grow inside your house, like jade plant. This is the jade plant also, and sensibilia. And but you have to be more careful about the watering which are inside your house. But most of the plants, they are outdoor plants. They are really very easy to grow. These two basic things, don't overwater it and don't over fertilizing it. I took a long time to understand this. Your succulents will happily grow with your other plants without any attention of yours, without any help, absolutely nothing from your side. Thank you for watching this video till the end.